O come, Emmanuel, a ransom captive Israel that mourned in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.
Come, thou day spring, come and cheer our spirits by thy advent here. Disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and this dark shadow